Hey guys, so today I was working on implementing a third-person character and I was adding animations, and as you can see I wanted to be able to punch once and only do damage once, but if I spam left click, I can do as much damage as I want. So because I just want it to do one tick of damage every time I punch, I figured I could use animation events, but whenever you import animations from Blender, for some reason you can't add an animation event directly right here. So instead, what you have to do is you click on the model that you imported, and you go to animations, and I'll just select the punch clip, and what you want to do is come down here to events, and you're just going to click add event right here, and then you can just drag it wherever. We'll drag it like right here. And so now I just call the function what I want it to be called. And this is where I was starting to have issues is, and then this float right here is just a parameter. So I apply that, I have my function. Now, whenever I go into my script, I thought I could just make a method right here, and it would just be able to take it in. And I used to have this code up here, but now, because I have this, I was hoping that I would just be able to call it directly. So you'll see if I do this, and I click play, now I'm getting an issue down here that says there's no receiver. So the problem here is I have my animator on this, the model, but the script that I was trying to implement is on this game object. So what you want to do, and what you have to do, is you have to make another script, and we'll call this punch handler, and you have to drag this script onto the same game object that has the animator. Otherwise, it will not work. So all I did is I call a reference to player interaction, because that is what my other script was called, and we're just going to call the method from there. So we have that, and then it's important that we have to make the method the same name as what we put into the animation event handler and have the same parameters. And now what we'll do is we'll just call play interaction dot deal damage. So we're just calling that method from that script, and we'll just pass in damage. So now I have this on here, so we'll just drag player to get our script reference. And now if we run the game, head on over to our enemy, we swing. Now it only works once every punch. So that is how you implement animation events on animations that are imported from Blender into Unity. And thank you guys for watching.